Greetings barbers, I'm Andy from Dark Stag, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the blade on our Dark Stag Kamisori razor. The Dark Stag Kamisori razor uses standard double-edged blades, so you can either buy them already in halves or you can take a double-edged blade and you can fold it and snap it. To put the blade in, simply squeeze the back and pop it in like so, and you're ready to shave. Alternatively, if your eyesight's not so good, because putting in the blade is a bit like threading a needle, you can just pop the blade in place like so, and then you can slide on the back plate and you're ready to shave. To remove the blade, you can just squeeze the back and the blade will drop out, but that only works if it's dry. And most of the time, obviously, it will be covered in shaving cream or wet, in which case you just slide off the back like so and take the blade out. So it does take a couple of attempts to get used to it, but when you're ready, there's no faster way to change a blade. And so all in one go, pop in the blade like so and remove it like that. Dead easy. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like or subscribe down there, or if you want to see another video straight away, check out some of these.